On this episode of YaEat, we're making fried mozzarella and serving it with marinara sauce. You're not going to want to miss this simple and tasty recipe. Oh, did I mention it's really fun too?
Spend some time with your family and watch this recipe, and make sure you watch to the end.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of YaEat. As usual, I'm really excited to have you here, and I appreciate all of your support. Today we're going to be making a really tasty appetizer. We're going to be making fried mozzarella sticks. We're going to bread them twice to make sure that the cheese does not leak out while we're frying them. I also happen to have some marinara sauce, which I usually have on hand. We're going to serve that with some marinara sauce. It's going to be super delicious. If you don't happen to have marinara sauce on hand, you can make your own marinara sauce. If you need help, we do have a recipe. There's a link to that below in the description. Or just use your favorite sauce for the mozzarella sticks, or just eat them plain. I'm super excited and I'm ready, and I know my daughter's probably ready for these mozzarella sticks. Are you ready? Here we go. Print all our recipes on YaEat.tv. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to add some canola oil to our pan that we're going to fry the mozzarella sticks in. And get this on, and then we can always shut it down. Next, we're going to beat some eggs. We'll start off with a half a dozen eggs. Probably may need more. We're going to double bread these. So it means we're going to double. We're going to flour, egg, breadcrumb, and we're going to egg and then panko it. All right, so we're gonna beat these eggs. Now, one option you can do, even after breading them, you can pop them in the freezer until maybe an hour or two and then fry them, but I don't think that's necessary. All right, so all the ingredients really we have is mozzarella cheese, some fresh parsley, some Pecorino Romano cheese. We have some flour, all-purpose flour. We have some eggs. We have some breadcrumb, and we have some panko. And what we're going to do is we're going to just cut these mozzarellas into like pretty thick strips. Let's say about at least a ½ inch, I'm guessing, by eye. Let's see how thick that is. Okay, so you can always dip a little egg in the oil, see if it's hot. Okay, let's shut that down. We can also temp it, and usually want your oil to be about 350 degrees. Okay, so we're going to flour, egg. Let's completely coat it in the egg wash. Breadcrumb. And completely coat it with the breadcrumb. Let's place that back in the egg wash, again completely coat it, and then we're going to place it into the panko. Again, it's very important to completely coat it as much as possible with the panko. The panko is a little bit thicker, and that's why we put the initial coating of the breadcrumbs, and we'll add it to the frying oil. As I mentioned, I had some marinara sauce and I just need to heat it up. Okay, so we're going to brown the mozzarella on each side for about a minute to a minute and a half, or until lightly brown, and then we're just going to put it on the side. Okay, let's go through this process one more time. Alright, so again, flour, shake well, egg, make sure it's completely coated, breadcrumb, completely coated, back in the egg, let's not overcook our mozzarella stick. You want to cook this on a lower heat, because if you cook it too fast and it gets really brown and crispy on the outside and the cheese doesn't melt. And then you have to pop it in the oven for a couple of minutes, which is fine, it's doable, which we're going to probably do anyway. But for this recipe, I prefer to cook these low and slow. Continue to repeat this process until you have fried all of your mozzarella. Take this last one out. Okay, so we're just going to put these in the oven and keep them warm while I just prep up the plate. Okay, so all I'm going to do to prep up the plate is, one is I'm just going to chop up a little parsley. Before I do that, gonna make it look a little nice. I've got some kind of greens. I had some extra arugula, so I'm just gonna lay some arugula down here. You don't have to do this. I had a couple extra teardrop tomatoes, so I'll throw them on the plate. In the center, we're gonna put our sauce. And the parsley is gonna go on top, and we'll sprinkle some Pecorino Romano cheese on top. So let's just chop up a little parsley. We're gonna have a lot of sauce here. So everyone eats with their eyes before they eat with their mouth, so presentation is key. So just nicely place these on the plate. It doesn't have to be a Michelin chef presentation, just make it look nice. Let's just put a little salt and pepper on top of this. Parsley on top. And some Pecorino Romano cheese right on top of everything. Some of the sauce, some of the mozzarella sticks. All right, before we get to eating one, let's just see what it looks like on the inside. Now you can serve it like that as well. The only reason why I don't like to serve it like this is because the cheese will get cool very quickly. We are getting closer every day of starting our contest and reaching 1,000 YouTube subscribers, and we need your help. All you need to do to qualify is to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like at least one of our videos. And as our YouTube channel grows, so will our prizes. Don't forget to click the bell and spread the word. Doesn't that look really yummy? Homemade fried mozzarella served with marinara sauce. You eat? You want to eat? Make this recipe. It's delicious. Okay, it's time for the taste test. As you can see, that was a very quick recipe. The trick is the double breading because one is that I'm going to make it a little crispier. Two, you got to cook it on a low temperature, not too hot, or the cheese will melt in the middle. But that's okay if you don't do that. You can still put it in the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes at say like 350 degrees, and then the cheese will melt and the breadcrumb will brown or burn on you. So let's give it a taste test. Really good, very crispy. I don't know if you can hear that crisp. Well, that wraps up this week's episode and recipe of fried mozzarella sticks with marinara sauce. You're going to love it, your kids are going to love it, or your grandkids are going to love it. You're going to enjoy making it, and you're really going to enjoy eating it. It is a really quick and fun recipe to make with the family. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I will be back next week with a new episode. Enjoy the holiday season, cook up some awesome food, and we'll see you next week.
Here's an offer you shouldn't refuse. Subscribe to this channel.